Welcome to another video tutorial. This video is especially for those who are concerned about scientific and research integrity and want to check if the text is AI written or human written. So as you know, new AI writing tools are being launched every other day, but I think it is also equally important to make progress in the detection of AI generated text. So, as with new tools, it has become really very hard to detect whether the text is AI or human written. So, in this video, I will make comparison of 5 commercially available AI detector and will check who perform the best. So, let's dive in. To show you this, I want to show you this benchmarking study which is just released by SciSpace research team, and you can see its title is SciSpace AI Detector, State of the Art Detection of AI Generated Text in Scholarly and Journal Writing. So actually in this study they have evaluated a set of 4,000 AI generated academic and journal sample that are disjoint from our training, and even they have uploaded their data set they have used for evaluation in the GitHub, so you can go and check how they have performed this evaluation. So actually in the study they have addressed three research questions, and the first research question whether how does domain specific optimization impact detection performance in scholarly text, and the second research question they have addressed what are the detection performance variation across the different AI language model in scholarly context, and the third research question was how do research optimized detector perform across the diverse content types compared to the general purpose alternative. So they have actually used 5 commercially available AI detector and including SciSpace. So they have compared those samples in SciSpace, and they have used GPTZero, ZeroGPT, Grammarly, and QuillBot. As here you can see, they have used a dataset including 4,000 samples from different data sets of research paper, IV, Panda essays, router news, and exam summaries. And as here you can see, they have listed the performance of all detector, including SciSpace. And SciSpace has actually outperformed according to their results with 96.2% F1 with accuracy of 92.8%, followed by GPT-0, then ZeroGPT, QuillBot, and Grammarly. So now let's test whether SciSpace AI detector can really outperform for the detection of AI and human written text. So I will be giving two examples one by one. So my first example is my own blog article which is published by American Society of Plant Biologists. So I want to tell you about this article. So actually this article I have written by myself. So I believe this text is 100% humanized, but somewhere I have also used some AI tools just to polish the English language. So I will just copy this text and will paste into all those 5 tools, and let's see whether they can detect any signs of AI writing or not. So the first is actually the SciSpace, and as you know that this is the main page of SciSpace, and if we can go to the home, so here is AI detector which they have just launched, and as here you can see this SciSpace AI detector can detect instantly ChatGPT, GPT-4, Gemini, and the Claude text, and it can also rate originality and explain the risky lines. And even if you have your own data in the form of PDF, so you can also go to this option and can upload your data, and whatever you will use your previous documents, they will be saved here as my scans. And now I have just copied this all text into this AI detector, and I have just pasted here. So I will just reanalyze. So you can see once I will click this, so you can see this shows that this data is a special, and you can say the result shows that this text is essentially human written, but it has listed four sentences which shows low probability of AI. So as here you can see, here are a few lines. For example, not using an AI tool is similar to not using a calculator for doing complex multiplication and division rather than sticking to by hand calculation. So I believe this sentence is actually the human written, but it has high probability that it is exactly same copy pasted in somewhere AI model too. And here are the results of GPT-0, which shows that this is highly we are highly confident this text is entirely human. And now we can go to ZeroGPT, and as here you can see, I have pasted this text in ZeroGPT 2, and this ZeroGPT result shows that your text is actually human written, but it may has the probability about 1.8% 84% is AI GPT. So we can check which sentences. So are we conservative in adopting AI tool despite the risk of error and misuse? AI writing assistant proved useful in writing research and reviewing manuscript. So I believe, yeah, this sentence really could be like when I have pasted for English and language improvement. So might be this sentence is captured and detected as AI. So I believe zero GPT results are somewhat more reliable in this case compared to other. And now let's go to this QuillBot AI detector. And as here you can see, overall this shows that this text is 100% human written, and similarly the results of Grammarly shows that this is 100% humanly written. So as here the results shows that the model level detection performance in terms of the research paper, sometimes you can see the zero GPT is performing better for some model compared to the SciSpace detector. So now I will generate one text in the chat GPT and will give back to all those AI detector, and we'll see whether which AI detector can outperform and which can be best for AI detection, especially for researchers and teachers. And now I will ask ChatGPT one question: are what are siren LD aldehydes, and what is their role in plant germination? So let's test this one. This response is totally AI generated. So let's see whether how these AI detector detect this text. Yeah, so maybe we can just copy paste first a few paragraph in all of these AI detector till here. So I will copy it into first of all this AI detector, and yeah, let me just clear all and I will paste it here. So I will click reanalyze, and similarly I can go back to this GPT-0, and I will paste here too, and I will just scan. And similarly I can go to AI detector, and I will detect text again, and similarly for QuillBot I will just detect AI in my chat GPT text again, and oh, it is quick in giving the results. And let's see, I will click on check text. So now let's go back to SciSpace AI Detector and see whether how are these results. So you can see this shows the AI detection report is 100% AI. So as here you can see, I mean, as we know, I have just copy pasted here. So it, of course, it is 100%. And let's see how are the other percentages given by, oh, still this result is not generated, or maybe generated, just there is an ad. Oh, here you can see we are highly confident that this text is AI generated, and maybe 100% AI generated. And here is, you can see this is showing that your text is 96.9% AI generated. And if we go back to AI QuillBot detector, so you can see it shows that text is 91% AI generated, and this shows 75% of the text is AI generated. So now let's go back to AI detector results. So here it has categorized your overall text into high AI, moderate AI, and low AI. High AI is this color, moderate it with this color. So with this, maybe probably you will have a better idea, I mean, what to change first and what to change next. Because sometimes it is also possible that sometimes you just change a few words and the overall AI percentage is greatly reduced. So I believe in AI detection is, this SciSpace is still outperforming, and their results are quite authentic. And now maybe this GPT-Zero results, overall it shows that, but because here you can see it has just highlighted overall all the text and did not give any information, I mean, which one is high, medium, or low. So, and here are the results of ZeroGPT, because it still shows that it has just omitted these headings, and other rest of everything it has highlighted into AI generated content. So I believe here ZeroGPT is lagging behind. And for QuillBot, although it was bit quick, but I believe you can see AI generated text at 81% AI generated, and AI refined is 10%. So actually everything is AI generated. So what you think? I think each one has performed pretty well, but SciSpace has outperformed in few things, especially uh, if you have watched my previous videos. And I love SciSpace because they have recently launched one AI agent which can help you to to automate all of your research tasks. Whatever is in your mind, you can just ask anything. Like if you have any question related to your research project or research assignment, you can just give, just give a command, and it will help you to create a complete research proposal, research assignment. But as you know, this comes with the only paid version, and here are SciSpace pricing. So here are the basic version, which is the free, and here are premium, advanced, and for the team. And if you want to go with premium version or advanced version, you can get 20 to 40% depending upon in which country you are using. You can check the video description for UTM link and the discount coupon, and you should must give a try to for your research text. And if you have any question related to the use of this tool, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.